Hello Kenyans, this is Taranda Baba Stadium yenye iko hapa nyuma yangu, mnaona imekamilika, so it's working. Yeah, they said sha it's a scam, and indeed it is, and it's working. Baba left us in SHA, and we will continue with SHA. So my friends, bottom up is working, and we will continue with the bottom up, my friends. So we'll take whatever you have, tusaidiane kujenga hii Kenya ni yetu. Mnavugana my friends. So bottom up is real, and Baba told us to stay with Taranda Stadium and SHA, and that's what we'll do. Mnangani my friends. Thank you, Kenyans.